the important question. The question in which you need to multiply 2 times in both the equations whenever to make the coefficient of x variable equal or to make the y coefficient equal, you need to multiply 2 times multiplication, or you need to multiply in both equation of some variable. Now this question I am going to solve by first equating the x variable and then equating the y variable. So first step is, my first solution is based on to make my x coefficient equal. So what is the step? This is my equation number 1, this one is my equation number 2. So to make this x coefficient equal, this is 3, this is 2, you need to multiply 3 and 2 by in reverse order. So since this is 3, so 3 multiply in the second equation, and this 2 coefficient multiply in the first equation. Just interchange these values. 2 multiply in first equation, 3 multiply in second equation. You by doing this x coefficient becomes 6. So if you multiply this 2 in this whole equation, what you will get? 3 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 2, so you will get 6x minus of 2 multiplied by 5, 10y is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 21 minus 42. Now this 3 multiplied by 2, 6x plus 3 multiplied by 3, 9y is equal to 15 by multiplying 5 into 3. Now after multiplication, this x coefficient become equal. So this is plus, this one is plus, you need to subtract the equation. So this x variable is gone, cancel out, and this is minus and minus addition. So 10 and 9 minus 19y is equal to minus of addition of both value, because both have the same sign. Whenever you will get same sign, it means the addition is happening. So in this case 2 and 5 comes 7, 4 and 3 comes 5. So this minus minus gone, so y equal to what? 57 divided by 19, 19 3s are 57, y become 3. Now going to put this y variable in equation number 1 or equation number 2. For simplicity I am putting this y variable, y value is 3 in equation number 2. So in equation number 2 I rewrite this equation 2x plus 3y. I start with equation number 2, 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Now I am putting this y equal to 3. So 2x plus 3, y value is 3 is equal to 5. So 2x plus 9 is equal to 5. 2x equal to what? 5. Right hand side with negative sign. So 2x equal to minus 4, because the 9 sign is greatest. So this 2 2s are 4. Your answer is minus 2. Now the solution by equating the x coefficient equal, my x value is what? Minus 2, and my y value is what? 3. This one. So this is the solution of this equation by equating the x coefficient equal. Now I am going to solve the same question by equating my y variable equal. So now I am going to solve to make my y coefficient equal. Now in the previous method, what was my approach? My approach was to make the x coefficient equal. Now in this approach, now I am going to solve the same question by equating my y variable equal. So for this, the coefficient of y in equation number 1 is 5. The coefficient of y in equation number 2 is 3. So you simply interchange the values. So you multiply this 3 in equation number 1 and this 5 in equation number 2 to make this y coefficient equal, which is equal to 15. So now I am going to multiply the 3 in whole equation and this 5 in this whole equation. So what you will get? 3 3s are 9x minus 3 5s are 15y is equal to minus of 63 plus 5 2s are 10x plus 5 3s are 15y is equal to 5 5s are 25. Now, this is minus 15y. This is plus 15y. This is minus and plus. So by simply addition, this y variable is eliminated from this equation, and you are left with 19x is equal to how much? This one is minus sign. 13 minus 4, 9. 13 minus 5. So what is 13 minus 5? 8. And this is 5 minus 2 comes 3. So what is your x value? My x value is 2 times. So this says minus 2. Now your x value is what? Minus 2. Now I am going to put this x variable, which is x equal to minus 2, in equation number 2. Now if you put this 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, my x value is what? Minus 2. So I am putting just this x value in equation number 2. So this is what? 2 multiplied by minus 2, 4 plus 3y, this is equal to 5. So this is what? 3y equal to 5 plus 4. So 3y equal to 9. 5 plus 4, 9. So my y become how much? Y become 3. Now the beauty of the equation. By putting y variable equal, again you will get x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3, x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3 when you equate your x variable equal. So you can solve the equation by any way. Which one is simpler to you? You just apply those methods, that kind of a step. Okay, if you want to make x coefficient equal, okay sir, you go with it. If you equate the y coefficient equal, okay sir, you go with it. So you can apply any method. Which one is simpler to you? It's up to you. Different student approach different method, but I'll solve this equation. I solve this equation by both the way. So now check whether your answer is correct or not. Now for check the correctness, you simply put x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 3 in any of equation 2 or 1. So I am taking this 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So x equal to minus 2. So this is my left hand side value. This is my left hand side value, which is 2x plus 3y. If this value is equal to 5, it means my answer is correct. So 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3. This is minus 4 plus 9, and my 4 minus 4 plus 9 is equal to 5, which is equal to right hand side. So I start my equation with left hand side, which is equal to what? Right hand side value. It means x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3 is a correct answer. So this is the last question based on elimination method.